Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix mount and blade to Bannerlord War Sales game, crashing, not launching, not loading, black screen or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings, now choose device and connections, then click on Blu-ray, now select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. After that, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, now select settings, then choose network settings and click on test network connection. Now wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to check for the game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So you should check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, check if it's launching or not. If not, next solution is to clear cache of the game. For that, press Xbox guide, now click on my games and apps and tap on see all. Here search for mount and blade 2 Bannerlord War Sales game. Now press menu. After that, select manage games and add-ons, then tap on save data reserved space and finally tap on clear reserved space. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system, then click on next and then go to account. Now remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove and then select remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest or not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to the begin updating process, and after that check if it is fixed. If not, next is to check storage space. For that, first press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, then click on settings and then click on system, then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or games to create some space and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to reinstall mount and blade to Bannerlord War Sales game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps and select see all option. Here select the game and then press menu button and then select uninstall. Now after the game is removed, open the game's official website and download the game and then try to play it and check if it's opening or not. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Just go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can play the game easily without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.